This new content style is helping new content creators to make highly engaging videos on daily basis in any niche without overthinking it, and to grow their accounts organically in a matter of days to start earning handsomely from it. Everybody wants to learn it, and I'm willing to show you how it is done. But first of all, see this.
It's fulfilled. This is my confidence. He's me.
The pressure to prove a point and the pressure to let men know you have made it is a sign that you have not really made it. Neither do men.
So since last week, there have been a very serious debate about GMO foods that Bill Gates and co are bringing into Nigeria. A lot of people say we don't want it, right?
What is your major challenge on social media today?
How to go viral.
How to go viral.
If you want your brand to go viral, then learn how to create and use free realistic AI videos like this one. Hi, let me show you how to create free realistic AI videos that can speak your customer's language perfectly.
All right, I'm Onyinebedum by name, and I needed to put out my face, my real face at this point in this video, for the fact that social media platform have been so polluted. There are a lot of scams going on, and I want you to understand that I understand the two natures of this scam. Okay, one is when you pay for a thing and you never get it at the end of the day. In other words, you get nothing for your money. That's one. The one that is even more popular is paying and getting something substandard. In other words, this person gave you something, but it's nowhere close to what you needed, okay? So these are the two scams happening, and maybe you are falling victim of any of them, or maybe you have not, okay? Now, I want to strengthen your confidence about what I'm offering you. Now, before I come up with any course, even when I did my TikTok ad manager training, not only ad manager, even with the app, okay, I have the full course on TikTok covering the app and the ads manager. Okay, now you can do it on ads manager in Nigeria, right? Even when I was about to launch that late last year, I had to, by the time I was done, I had to go buy one of the top courses on the subject. Top in the sense that this guy is everywhere with his ad for this particular training. I bought it. I wanted to find not even one, two. I got two to find out what this guy has that I probably have not covered. Okay. And I saw some lapses there. Okay. But that's not the point. I'm not here to talk about their lapses. They are supposed to be my advantage, right? Yeah. So for this video AI, right? Whether, of course, in this one, I'm collapsing two major courses, okay? One with VO3 and the rest of it. The other one is the smart 3D animation, okay? I'm collapsing the two in one course. For these two, beyond what I know personally, I've gone to buy trainings. One thing I will tell you for the two training, and I'm not lying about this, is that I was in the comment section of one of them on Telegram. Of course, the comment section has been blocked. Nobody can comment there again. But over 70% of the comments there before it was, of course, that was why it was blocked, were negative. People were like, we are stranded. Please do this, cover this, cover this. And the person was like, oh, you can't satisfy human beings. You can satisfy human beings. So these two courses I bought on this particular subject, I will say is in that second level of scam, right? So I have gone ahead to look at those lapses before I decided to launch this one. And the good thing with my trainings, if you're a student of mine with TikTok, you notice that from time to time, I give updates. In other words, I keep researching, okay? So one of the things that you enjoy with this training is that all the tools you'll be using, like you've seen in the videos I did, they are all free, all right? And from time to time, we keep upgrading. Now, it's not that you can't pay for them. You can. If you want, you can upgrade and pay. But I see that you don't even need that to start, okay? It's when you start making the money that you can now say, okay, since I'm making money, let me scale it, right? But for a start, you're already paying for this training. So you have to have seen result to now say, okay, I will pay for this app so that I can get more, right? But all the tools I'm supplying you in this training, they are going to be free. I'm going to show you how to get the free ones, okay? So I want you to feel confident, not only that you will get something at the end of the day, but that what you will get will far surpass any amount you'll be paying. Okay. So if you're with me on this, click the button around this video to join me in class.
Now, you know that popular Yoruba song Oluwatosin? I created an English version of it without knowing how to sing or going to any music studio. Just watch.
When I wake in the morning light, your mercy holds me through the night. Every step I'm covered by your grace. My heart will always sing your praise. Oluwatosin, you are worthy of praise. Jesus, forever you reign. Oluwatosin, all my heart will proclaim, Lord, you are worthy.
Now, it's my honor to invite you to join my Content Forest Profit class, where I'll be guiding you on how to create this kind of videos to get your account monetized as quickly as possible. Not only that, I'm also going to guide you on how to create brand new music or songs like you have just seen. Click the button around this video to join the Content Forest Profit class today.